Number 34. Letter A. What fraction of Earth's diameter is the greatest ocean depth? Okay, so to answer this question, we need to know a couple of facts. All right, so we need to know the Earth's diameter. All right, so that'll be approximately, if you look it up, it's approximately 13,000 kilometers. Okay. Also, we need to know what the average, or not the average, but the greatest depth of our ocean, of one of our oceans would be. And that works out to be approximately 11 kilometers. Okay, so now armed with these two pieces of information, we can now calculate the fraction. All right, so remember, fraction has a numerator and a denominator. So if we're trying to find the fraction of Earth's diameter, right? Since we're trying to find the fraction of Earth's diameter, that's the value that goes on the bottom. The diameter of the Earth. Okay, and then the other value, fraction we're trying to find, it would go now on the top. So, for example, in this problem, right, the ocean depth. So ocean depth will be the numerator value. So now all we have to do is plug this in, right? So 11 kilometers divided by 13,000 kilometers. Now the units have to be consistent here in order to create an appropriate fraction. So I was nice and just gave you the values in kilometers at the start. But if one was in miles and the other, let's say, was in kilometers, you would just have to convert miles to kilometers or kilometers to miles and then make sure that you were consistent. So anyway, let's just plug this into the calculator. So it'd be 11 divided by 13,000. So that works out to a fractional value of about 8.5 times 10 to the minus 4. 10 to the minus 4. And that would be the fractional value, right? This is really over 1. You can put that over 1. That's not a big deal. But that would be the fraction. And again, no units because they canceled. Okay, so that's the fractional value in terms of the greatest ocean. Now we have to turn our attention to part B, and it says now the greatest mountain height. So let's assume that the greatest mountain height is approximately 9 kilometers. So now similar methodology here. So fraction should equal then the mountain height over the diameter of the Earth. Right? And that would be 9 kilometers over then 13,000 kilometers. Again, I'm consistent with the units. So they go bye-bye. So now 9 divided by 13,000 works out to a value of approximately 6.9 times 10 to the minus 4. And that's now that particular fraction. All right, guys, hope this helped. Please remember to subscribe if it did help. Thank you.